Welcome back to the Real Estate Investing Guide Pre-Offer Due Diligence series. This is the final chapter in the pre-offer series. Be sure to check our other investing due diligence series for post-offer considerations. Chapter 6. Conduct a PESTLE analysis. PESTLE is an acronym that stands for 1. Political, 2. Economical, 3. Social, 4. Technological, 5. Legal, 6. Environmental. Let's go over each of these stages. Political. Buyers of investment real estate need to consider the political risk associated with potential investment properties. Each municipality tends to grant different rights to landlords and tenants. To put things simply, you would rather invest in areas where politics are more pro-business, pro-private property rights, and less likely to create red tape, new regulations, and hamper profit potential. What would happen if a municipality might impose rent caps? What would happen if taxes increased drastically? What are regulation efforts like, and how frequently would you be subjected to inspections? What if a municipality creates an eviction moratorium and you have people not paying and you can't get rid of them via an eviction? Economical. The economic situation at the micro-neighborhood level is a very important factor to consider when buying investment property. These factors affect only local markets, which is why real estate investors know every market is different. Other economical factors are external to the local market and affect all investors nationally. What is the median salary within the area where you're looking to purchase your investment property? How many businesses are operating in the area? Are businesses expanding or contracting? Are economic opportunities increasing or decreasing? What is the current interest rate direction, and how is that increasing or decreasing the weighted average cost of capital? What is the unemployment rate of the area? Social. Social constructs tell you a lot about what is going on in a local market and who is in that local market. What is the demographic makeup of the area? What is the education level? What is the age makeup, and what is the population growth rate? Are there any cultural barriers? Technological. Technology is always advancing and progressing. This applies to real estate also. Some more than others obviously, but technological risks need to be considered. What is the overall level of technological surveillance in the area? Is it low or high, and why is that? Does the property have any advanced technological factors to consider? If so, what might be the costs of maintaining or repairing that technology? Is there a security system within the property? Does the property have a solar panel, or is it a geothermal capable property? Legal. There are always legal considerations within any real estate investment purchase, and investors need to make sure they are using a real estate lawyer to help them in the due diligence process. Are there ordinances that provide restrictive covenants or conditions? Are zoning laws in place that may affect the future use of property? Are things like fire sprinklers or fire systems required? Are there caps on rental amounts or percentage increases on rents in the future? Are there any new laws that might soon be passed that would affect the usage or desirability of the property in question? Environmental. Investment properties exist all over in different geographical locations which have different weather patterns, temperatures, specific indigenous wildlife, and environmental hazards. Better understanding these factors helps the investor identify potential risks and which ones can be avoided, and where to stay in compliance with certain environmental laws or protections. What is the weather and climate like within the market or investment property in question? How might weather or climate affect the property? Are there specific environmental policies in place that should be considered? Are local municipalities or non-government organizations influencing decision-making regarding environmental concerns, and if so, how? Does the property face any previous environmental issues such as past toxic spills, or fuel storage, or a previous landfill site? Are there any policies that protect certain nearby agricultural areas or wildlife? Are global warming policies in place, or are there considerations of carbon tax policies now or in the future? Has there been previous seismic activity or other natural disaster types of incidents in the area? Is the groundwater clean or polluted? We have now concluded the pre-offer real estate investment due diligence series. We will assume your offer has been accepted, financing is secured, and loan applications are complete. The post-offer due diligence steps occur within the due diligence period based on property type. Be sure to check our other post-offer investing guide series. If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and have a great day. Be sure to contact us for all your Twin Cities real estate needs. lakerrealestate.com 763 645 4617